Hey there, design rebels and cozy seekers. Welcome back to Daily Home Trends channel. For years, we've been told that authentic farmhouse style lives in a palette of white, beige, and greige. That rustic charm means playing it safe. Well, I'm here to tell you that's a myth waiting to be broken. What if your rustic home could be a catalyst for joy, a reflection of your boldest self, without losing an ounce of that warm, lived-in soul? Today, we're not just adding a pop of color, we're unleashing it. This is bold farmhouse decor, where rustic meets radiance. Section 1. Rethinking the Farmhouse Foundation. Let's start by reframing our mindset. The core of farmhouse style isn't a specific color, it's a feeling. It's about authenticity, comfort, craftsmanship, and connection to nature. Those raw wood beams, those time-worn textures, that sense of history. They're not neutral backgrounds. They are the perfect textured canvas for your color story. Think about it. A rich, matte black on a shiplap wall doesn't hide the texture. It celebrates it, making every shadow and groove sing. A deep, moody teal behind open shelving makes those rustic wooden bowls and white ceramics pop like art. This is the heart of the modern organic trend we're seeing everywhere in 2026. It's about grounding bold choices in natural, authentic materials. Section 2. The Bold Color Palette Playbook. So, where do we begin? Ditch the fear and embrace these fresh, trending directions. First, jewel tones in the rustic nest. Imagine an amethyst velvet sofa against reclaimed brick, or a sapphire blue kitchen island with a butcher block top. These rich, saturated colors feel incredibly luxurious, but when paired with rustic elements, they create a stunning, balanced tension. They bring depth and drama while still feeling cozy and enveloping. Second, earthy yet exotic. This is a huge 2026 trend, colors pulled from a global landscape. Think terracotta, spicy cayenne, ochre, and deep olive green. These aren't your muted earth tones. They're vibrant and warm. A wall in a bold terracotta feels like a sunset in a Tuscan field. It's inherently rustic, but wildly passionate. It connects your home to a wider, more colorful world, tapping into that cultural maximalism vibe that's so hot right now. And third, the new neutrals, charcoal and midnight. For those who want bold but not bright, go deep. Paint your ceiling a matte charcoal. Wrap a dining room in a dramatic midnight blue. These colors act as sophisticated, moody neutrals that make your wood tones glow with warmth, and your metallics, think aged brass or iron, sparkle like stars. It's a powerful, confident look. Section 3. Strategic Application. Where to go bold. You don't have to paint every wall. Let's talk strategy. Statement pieces are your best friend. That inherited, chunky wood dresser? Paint it in a high-gloss chartreuse. It becomes an instant heirloom with attitude. A massive, colorful vintage rug over wide plank floors defines the space with pattern and hue. Architectural focus. Use color to highlight the beautiful bones of your home. Paint your interior window frames and doors in a contrasting black or navy. That Farmhouse sink cabinet? Give it a personality with an unexpected shade of plum. This is color drenching on a smaller, more impactful scale, creating cohesive, immersive moments. Layer, layer, layer. Bold Farmhouse is a masterclass in layered texture. Pair that emerald green wall with a nubby, cream-colored linen sofa, a rough jute rug, and throw pillows in complementary patterns. The color is the star, but the textures wood, metal, ceramic, fiber are the supporting cast that makes it feel inviting, not intimidating. Section 4. Fresh ideas and the clash that works. Ready for the next level idea? Let's talk pattern mixing. The modern bold farmhouse isn't afraid of a little controlled chaos. Try a large-scale, colorful floral wallpaper on a single accent wall behind your bed, then keep the bedding simple. Hang a collection of vintage plates in vivid colors and patterns on a painted wall. It's about curated collections that tell a story. And here's a keyword for you: sustainable maximalism. Your bold color doesn't have to come from new paint. It can come from a vibrant, reupholstered vintage chair, a stack of brilliantly colored antique books, or a collection of hand-painted tiles used as a kitchen backsplash. It's bold, it's personal, and it's deeply sustainable. So, what's the takeaway? Bold farmhouse decor is a celebration of contrast. It's the marriage of rugged and refined, of nostalgic and now. It's about letting the timeless comfort of the rustic style meet the fearless expression of your personality through color. Your home should tell your story, not just follow a trend. So I challenge you, look at that neutral corner and imagine what a shot of brave, beautiful color could do. Start with one vase, one painted piece of furniture, one wall. Unleash the joy. If this sparked ideas for you, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel more than you know. Which bold color are you most excited to try? Jewel tone, earthy exotic, or moody midnight? Shout it out in the comments below. And for more ideas on fearless interior design and 2026 home decor trends, hit subscribe and that notification bell. We're building a community of design adventurers here. Thanks for watching, and remember, in a world full of beige, be bold. See you in the next one.